Hi, and welcome back. In this video, I wanted to talk about the order in which operations are executed in Mux. So you might be working on an algorithm or a certain function that requires some parameters to be calculated first because they will have a direct influence on something that's calculated further down the line. And for that, it's important to understand in which order the operations are executed in Mux. So what's matter in Mux is where the objects are placed in the patch. It goes from right to left and bottom to top with the execution. So let's talk about an example. I just created 5 buttons and I created 4 of those. So I can just trigger all of those from this top one. As you can see, they were triggered almost immediately as I pressed the top one. But the thing is that we can actually see how the operation is taking place. Let's add debugs to actually see how it's happening. In order to be able to do that, you need to enable debugging. Yes, so now if I press the top one, you can see it first went to the bottom right corner. Then let's continue, top right corner, let's continue, bottom left corner, let's continue, and that's the top left corner. Yeah, I can also show this on a different example. Let's close this one, disable debugging and delete all 4 of those. Let's add messages. I can just quickly type the letters of the alphabet so we know which one is triggered when. Can actually do it in order of the execution. So right now, if I do it like this, I can also hit print. So we should, in the console in a moment, see how it's executed. It should be A, B, C, D in this order. And yes, A, B, C, D. Thank you.